Hi, I'm hoping to make a quick 5-minute video today that will get you started on your Scratch Pong project. In the last video, I gave you a little demonstration of the tool itself and where the blocks are. And today we're going to just dive right into starting the Pong project. So to get started, you need two sprites. You need a ball and a paddle. And you don't have to use the cat sprite. You can delete the cat sprite, but first you want to add a new one. So if you click here, and I think I'll do the ball right now, and I like to do the dragon. All right, well, we just do the butterfly. And for the paddle, magic wand, and actually, I think I like the hippo. Okay, so now to get rid of these that I'm not going to use, I can wave my mouse over and this little X you can delete. And I can also delete this here. So now I only have the two sprites. I have the magic wand and the hippo. So in order to write code, you need to make sure that you've clicked over here on the correct sprite that you want to use. So for this one, that's the hippo. It's going to be my ball, so I want it to move and bounce. So I want to go to when the green flag is clicked. I want the hippo to start moving and bouncing. So I would like it to move 10 steps. And I'd like it to, if on edge, bounce. And I would like it to, when it starts, point in direction. Instead of 90, I'm going to say 45. Okay. So when the green flag is clicked, it's going to point in direction 45. It's going to move 10 steps. And if on edge bounce, I want that to happen forever throughout the course of the game. Okay. So let's see. All right. So my ball is bouncing, so that's good. And then I want my paddle to be able to move back and forth. So I'm going to click on the paddle. And I want that to move back and forth with the mouse. So again, I'm going to start with when the green flag is clicked. And you can do this a couple of ways. I'm going to say forever, motion, go to mouse pointer. Let's see what we think about that. So stop and start again. And so this is one way of doing it. All right. Now, so now we've gotten a short start. We have our two sprites that we're going to use. Why don't we, before I sign out, we can just pick a backdrop. I'm just going to do something simple, the blue sky. There we go. And we've got the ball and the paddle, and they're moving. So in the next video, we're going to have the ball bounce off the paddle. So hopefully you're able to get this bit started, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.